Hey everyone, this video they're gonna take a look at DVD unboxing I'll show you guys, which was Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom. Let's look at the front. You can see here. I got this at Walmart today. There's a Dr. Jones with his sword in the robe in the temple. Just look at the side, and then here on the back. See, there's Steven Spielberg and George Lucas bring you the world's ultimate action hero in one of the greatest film adventure series of all time. And there's all new spec features. See, it's rated PG, made by Palma Pictures and Lucasfilm. This DVD video. And there's TXX. Let's get open. Here's a disc of Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom. So that's his Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom DVD boxing. I hope you enjoyed this movie. So this bye, take care. See you next time.